At Connecticut Lighting Centers, we don't just sell lighting, we sell solutions. Family owned, third generation since 1972. This year marks 50 years in business. We have New England's largest selection of lighting, ceiling fans, table and floor lamps, kitchen and bath lighting, outdoor lighting, motorized and manual window shades, decorative hardware featuring top brands like Rocky Mountain, Baldwin, Schlage, Omnia, Top Knobs, Emtech, and so much more. Plus, you'll find an amazing array of home accents. Visit our showrooms in Hartford on Brainerd Road and our Southington showroom at 50 Graham Place, next to CAFD and Pilgrim Furniture. You'll find thousands of products on display and in stock at both showrooms. And wait until you see our state-of-the-art demo rooms. Between Hartford and Southington, there are two great locations to see it, touch it, and take it home today. Looking for quality LED products? Buyer beware. Not all LEDs are created equal. We're your source for quality LEDs and back every LED with our exclusive 5-year warranty. Plus, we're your one-stop shop for smart home products, featuring Lutron, Legrand, Google Nest, and electronic, residential, and commercial keyless entry systems. Across the street from Connecticut Lighting Center's showroom in Hartford, visit our sister store, Restoration Lighting Gallery. It's a very different shopping experience where you'll find really cool stuff, plus unique, vintage, and one-of-a-kind pieces. We offer restoration and repair services, custom lighting, and have over 1,000 lampshades on display. Coming soon, we're excited to announce the relocation and expansion of our Hartford showroom to 312 Murphy Road, just a short walk from our current Hartford location. The new showroom will be about double the size, and the layout will make it really easy to shop for a few fixtures or an entire home or project. The new location will include our showroom, Restoration Lighting Gallery, warehouse, and operations all under one roof, making for a much improved shopping experience for our customers. Connecticut Lighting Centers and Restoration Lighting Gallery. So much more than just a lighting store. Stop by booth 619 and talk to one of our design professionals about your residential or commercial needs. And shop 24/7 at ctlighting.com.